Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales, taking a look today at a 2024 Reflection 150 series. This layout is the 260 RD. Beautiful rear dining setup on this fifth wheel and the 150 series. A couple features I'll point out to you. You can see from the ground there is a solar panel included in this unit, as well as a charge controller. There is inverter prep as well, depending on what your usage intentions are. You're really nicely equipped to start off with this unit, so you can upgrade as you see fit. This year, the Reflection line does have the anti-lock braking system. Not only are they great for your safety, but they look pretty cool too with those red drums inside the wheels. You can see the leveling system there as well, which is all touch controlled from inside the unit. Speaking of which, there's the passenger storage unobstructed all the way through. Great size. On the other side of this is your water compartment, and you can see your leveling system as well as your tire pressure monitor off there in the distance on the right hand side. Again, just great convenience features to have. Couple more practical features for the day-to-day use. You've got a screen defender here on your screen, so as you can see here, it's a nice metal screen, so that if you've got a puppy or some young children that might want to pick at the screen, it's going to hold up a lot better than your standard wire mesh screen. Step above steps make it nice and easy to get in and out of the unit, and you've got this nice teardrop handle here as well, which makes it nice and easy to get in. And of course, Grand Design, always thinking of our furry friends. There's a spot down here to hitch your leash so that you can get your dog outside with you when you're enjoying your campfire activities. Speaking of those things, take a look at this built-in pet drawer. That's just awesome. You can get those tucked away just like that, but you do have the pet drawers available there, nice and conveniently located out of the way when you don't need them. Rear dining, this will convert to a full bed, so you can drop that down. You can see the extra cushions there. You just Tetris yourself together a nice comfortable bed. But in the meantime, you've got a nice rear dinette with a beautiful view. You can certainly use that for a social space as well as playing games, having a bite to eat, that sort of thing. Storage over top. Great slide space over here too. You can see the entertainment couch. A little bit of a different layout in that it folds down in the middle. Couple extra cup holders, fold that back. You've got a nice big comfy couch that will light up, recline, heat up, and vibrate, and of course kick out so you can put your feet up, which is the best part. I got this cupboard door open over here as well because I want to show you one really cool thing built in this year with the Reflection line is the Travelify system. It is a subscription-based internet service. They give you the first month for free. It is available in Canada. It does just connect to the local internet service, and it is a subscription based through the Travelify company, which is a nice touch to have because you can get your Wi-Fi as you travel around. Let's take a look at the nice kitchen in this unit. Great counter space. You got an extendable counter here on the end, high-rise faucet. Nice backsplash here as well. It's a nice touch from Grand Design. Nice here too. Big fan of this. You've got a little wine rack and a little spot here for your wine glasses to slide in there. As a semi-retired bartender, I certainly enjoy that. Full-size microwave, more storage over top. You've got a nice TV set up right across from your comfy couch, 3-burner cooktop, all kinds of storage there to the right, and of course an oven with pots and pans drawer underneath. So really in the social space with that slide out, you can see all kinds of room to be able to have company over and not to feel like you are on top of each other when you're camping. Look at the size of this fridge too. We are in a half-ton towable, just a little over 7,800 pounds on this unit, but still fully featured with this residential size fridge and pantry space just to the right. Take a couple steps up and take a look at the bathroom area. Good storage there underneath and to the left of the high-rise matte black faucet. You got a medicine cabinet there already built in as well. Good looking shower setup. A little extra space. There is a light in the shower, which is nice. I'm seeing more and more of that this year. There is of course a a vent to air things out and keep things nice and fresh in there, and a corner porcelain toilet as well as a second medicine cabinet there. You could probably use that as a linen closet. It's a little bit bigger than the one on the left above the sink. As we head back into the bedroom area, you see a walk-around queen bed. You've got storage on either side, nice wall sconces there. You've got 110 plugs as well as a USB port over top, storage on either side, and nice big windows to really open up the bedroom when you want to get a little bit of extra fresh air through here, brighten things up a little bit, and certainly you got some privacy shades as well. But if you're wondering where you're going to put the rest of your stuff, you do have a full shirt closet here as well as some drawers underneath. So great storage throughout the unit. Again, folks, this has been a 2024 Reflection 150 series 260 RD. Beautiful RV here on the lot at Leisure Time Sales in Quispam Sis. Our friends up at Leisure Time Sales in Moncton have some beautiful units to serve you as well. Camping season is only 5 days away as I record this video, so come on out, folks. Make a decision to get yourself out and enjoy some camping and making some memories with family this summer.